Hi, this is Scott, and I'm at the next company now. I'm here to pick up a door, and I want to explain this a little bit. I'm here to pick up a big metal door that weighs nearly 7,000 pounds, and I'm going to be hauling it to get repaired, okay, for a furnace that no longer exists. Now, I know that everybody works at companies and you see all kinds of waste, but I'm hauling a door to get repaired at a company, and that door belongs on a furnace that no longer exists or is going to be getting replaced. So I just thought that I would talk about that. Loaded down on there, about even, and they're just loosening it up from the train right now. This is actually a door. Time to strap it on there. Okay, I've got the straps laying up here now. They're on top of things inside, so I have to hop down and tighten them up. Basically what I'm doing is 2X patterns for a large circle. Okay, I've got them hooked, so now I'll go to the other side. Pull them fairly tight with my fingers. I had to move my truck to a different location, not very far away, because I left it up front. Basically, I'm on the other side. I'm just pulling these tight. Not super tight, just kind of finger tight. So I just put my edge protectors on the very top. They're on the rim. Okay, now put that. Once again, this is very fun to do, one-handed. Trying to hold on to the camera and do what should be a simple task with 2 hands. Okay, I got all that protectors on, so now I'm going to get down into the ground and tighten up the straps. Okay. On the picture, got the sun behind me. Just gonna take all these snugs for right now. Then after they're snugged down, then I'm gonna torque them really hard. tightening the straps down, this is what it looks like. And this is what you want to do with objects that are first. Make sure you do that. That way, it's sort of like ripping it off once. It's been a very interesting morning. I'm surprised I even made it to this company. The name on my bills is not the name of the company. The name of the road is not the same name of the road. I have no contact number, no phone numbers, no nothing on this load. And I even called, well, I didn't really call, they called in. Back from this company, not too far, there is an emergency response place that has ambulances and such. So I backed up and went down there, and there was actually some deputy sheriffs down there. I had them look at the bills, and they had no idea where this place was. They never heard of it. Come to find out, it's under a different name, different address altogether, and I still found it. So I feel kind of happy. On the bad side, I originally showed up here a few minutes after 8 o'clock. It is now 9:24. I just talked to a lady that just showed up to work. None of the workers are here yet, normal workers. This is I guess the lady that you'd check in with. And she said that they probably won't be in for another half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm thinking most companies start around 8 o'clock or even before, and that's going to put them to showing up to work after 10 o'clock in the morning. So it is what it is. So I'm actually hanging out in the middle of the road. Cars are passing me. I'm just sitting here with my hazard lights on. That's about all I can do until the workers show up. Okay, the workers still aren't here yet, but I was allowed to come into the gate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of the time and go ahead and take the straps off. Okay, I'm going to throw the straps over. Went ahead and got the edge protectors from the other side. Now to roll up the straps. Okay, now to put my edge protectors up. So I'm going to hang these up the same way. I'll run them through the middle of the bungee. That way everything's nice and neat. Everything's nice and neat, that way I don't have a pile of junk everywhere. Okay, the owner of the company actually showed up, and before the workers have. They still have it, and it's like 10:30. So he said he's going to actually hook everything up and unload me himself. Okay, I'm backed up into a crane area. So what happens is we're going to probably put cables or chains on here, and then hoist it up with a crane, and then I will pull out from under it.
This way with just 2 hooks. You got to put 1 hook. Okay. See that collar around that elbow over there? Right here underneath. Put that first hook in there, and then the hook goes on the other end. Needs to be on the opposite side underneath. Gotcha. For the weight to be back.
I'd say it's the junk inside and down here.
Well, I didn't want to have to put another set of things on, but I think we're good.
I got an idea.
Like that.
Up there hanging on that beam, you've got the pin. Well, that thing diameter about this right in here. I got. This whole side here is full. That side there is empty. So it looks like it's actually. I'm surprised it's actually tipped in this direction. It looks like there's more weight up here.
It's all heavy. There's a hole in that wall underneath that top. All the weight's down on that end. Let me let it down to that set of chains.
Okay.
I got them right here on the side of the truck. I'd rather lift this thing one time right than
Right.
5 times wrong.
I completely understand.
Stay up there, I can get this other set of chains. Just out of the truck. on it. I'll probably move it into that building on that truck right there.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you want to, go ahead and move this forward, and I'll take them towels back there. Scott with Starkey Family Fixing and Rigging Up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and thank you.